Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well and are excellent in first class. We are at your service with another educational video. In this educational video, we want to discuss the arc command. We want to make a raspbow. I will create a new model, a millimeter model, and then I will give OK. Here, I'm just going to sketch a bit more details on the front plane and confirm it carefully. I'm selecting the arc command. You can create an arc in two ways. There's a 3-point arc option and a center arc option. With the 3-point arc, you first specify the start and end points of the arc. Then you determine the curvature or the radius of the arc, which defines how much the arc will curve. Then you click, and the arc gets drawn. How does the center arc work? I'm selecting it. First, I specify the center of the arc. Then, I specify the starting point of our arc, and then the end point of the arc. In this way, what does it mean to draw from the center? There are times when you need to draw from the center of the arc. For example, you know where the center of that arc is. Definitely the best way to use this mode when you have the center, you have the beginning and end of your bow somewhere. It's better to use the 3-point option there. For example, right now I want to connect these two with an arc. If I want to connect using the center, it's really difficult. Look, it might not even reach this. It's annoying. Or will this example suffice? Not at all. But what if I use the 3-point option? In the 3-point option, see, I have the start point and the end point, and I'm connecting these two with an arc. Now I can easily add constraints and stuff between them. What does this become? The applications of arcs are actually very simple. For example, I can draw an arc like this, and I want to measure this. The way you click on it is this. In fact, the curve knows. For example, I give the curve 20 or 250. Then you have to determine the angle of this arc and its center. For example, I will put its center here. Now you have to determine the amount of arc and elongation. Delete this. Yeah, that's it. I need to define what angle it should have right now. I'm coming in with two beautiful curves. First, I connect the start and end points to the center. I draw the lines, and the angle between these lines becomes the angle of our arc. For example, I say the angle should be 110 degrees. What does this remind you of? The area where this arc is placed? Well, here, for example, I set the angle between this and the axis to be 30 degrees. Just like that, we've created an arc that is a polyline, about. I hope this tutorial video has been useful for you. And no matter what, if you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Take care. Goodbye.